Learn English with English Lab.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack.
And I'm Bella.
Today we're starting something different, but very interesting.
Yes, we're going to learn English through a real viral story about a baby monkey named Punch.
Punch is a baby Japanese macaque at a zoo in Japan.
He became famous around the world after videos of him hugging a stuffed toy went viral.
Funny videos? No. These clips made people think. Many people felt strong feelings when they watched him.
Let's start with the real story. Punch was born at Ichikawa City Zoo in Japan in July 2025. But shortly after birth, his mother abandoned him.
Without his mother, Punch felt lonely and scared.
The zookeepers cared for him and gave him a plush toy, a big orangutan stuffed animal from IKEA, to comfort him.
Punch didn't let go of the toy. He carried it everywhere.
That simple action, a little monkey holding a stuffed toy, was shared around the world on TikTok, Instagram, and other social media.
People from many countries saw the videos.
They felt something emotional, sympathy, compassion, and connection.
The toy even got a nickname. People started calling it Oron Mama, like a pretend mother.
And suddenly, that IKEA plush toy, which used to be just a regular stuffed animal, became a global sensation.
Stores in many countries ran out of stock because so many people wanted the same toy.
This story shows how one simple moment can become a worldwide phenomenon.
So today, we'll use this story not just to talk about Punch.
But to learn useful English vocabulary and expressions too.
Before we analyze the story deeply, let's focus on some important words.
Yes, these words are useful not only for this story, but also for real-life conversations.
The first word is abandoned.
Abandon means left alone. When someone who should take care of you leaves you.
In this story, Punch was abandoned by his mother.
You can also say, she abandoned the project. He felt abandoned by his friends.
The second word is comfort.
Comfort means a feeling of safety and calm. The stuffed toy gave Punch comfort.
We also use this word in daily life. This music gives me comfort. She needs emotional comfort.
Next word, attachment. Attachment means a strong emotional connection.
Punch formed an attachment to the toy.
People also form attachments to pets, places, or memories.
Now let's talk about viral.
Viral means something spreads very fast on the internet.
The video of Punch went viral.
We can also say, that post went viral overnight.
Another important word is empathy.
Empathy means understanding and feeling another person's emotions.
People felt empathy for Punch.
They imagined his loneliness.
And this leads to another useful word, relatable.
Relatable means something feels familiar or personal. People related to the feeling of being alone.
That's why the video became powerful.
So today we learned abandoned, comfort, attachment, viral, empathy, relatable,
Try to use these words in your own sentences.
because vocabulary becomes strong only when you use it.
Now that we understand the language,
Let's go deeper and ask an important question.
Why did this story become so popular? So now we ask the big question. Why did this video become so popular?
There are many animal videos online, but not all of them go viral.
Exactly. So what was different about Punch?
First, the story had emotion. It was not just a cute monkey, it was a lonely baby monkey.
And people respond strongly to emotional stories.
Yes, especially stories about babies. Humans naturally feel protective.
It's instinct.
When we see something small and vulnerable, we want to protect it.
Another reason is contrast.
Contrast.
Yes, a wild animal holding a soft toy like a human child.
That contrast creates surprise, and surprise creates attention.
Also, social media algorithms love emotional content.
When people feel something strong, they like, comment, and share.
And the more people interact, the more the algorithm pushes the video.
So emotion plus interaction equals viral content.
There is another important idea,
What is it?
projection.
Yes, people projected human feelings onto Punch.
They imagined he felt sad, lonely, or scared.
Even if we don't know exactly what he felt,
This is called anthropomorphism.
it means giving human emotions to animals.
And humans do this very naturally.
That's why the video felt relatable.
So it wasn't just about a monkey,
It was about loneliness
comfort.
and emotional connection.
Now let's compare this with another viral story.
The penguin who left his group.
Now let's talk about the penguin.
A while ago, another animal story went viral.
It was about a penguin that left its group.
Yes, instead of staying with the other penguins, it walked in a different direction.
People said it was curious.
They said it was brave,
Some people even called it independent.
but the story did not end well,
The penguin died later.
and many people felt sad.
Now let's compare the two stories.
In both cases, people created a narrative.
They gave the animals human meaning.
With Punch, people saw loneliness and comfort.
With the penguin, people saw curiosity and courage.
But here is the important question:
Were these human stories?
or animal reality?
Animals do not think like humans.
But humans naturally create stories.
We like heroes.
We like emotional journeys.
We like meaning.
So when we see an animal alone, we build a story in our minds.
Sometimes we romanticize it.
Romanticize means to make something more beautiful or emotional than it really is.
Maybe the penguin was not brave.
Maybe it was just confused.
Maybe Punch was not sad.
Maybe he simply needed comfort like any young animal.
So, what does this tell us?
It tells us that viral stories are not just about animals
They are about human psychology.
and the way we see the world.
So, in the final part,
Let's ask one more important question.
why do humans love emotional animal stories so much? So, what do these stories really tell us?
They don't just tell us about animals, they tell us about people.
Humans are emotional creatures.
We connect through stories.
When we see a small animal alone, we don't just see an animal.
We see vulnerability.
We see ourselves.
That is empathy.
But there is another side too,
Yes. Social media makes emotions stronger,
because strong emotions create clicks.
and clicks create visibility.
So sometimes we react quickly.
Without thinking deeply,
We share,
we comment,
we feel.
but we don't always analyze.
So maybe the real lesson is balance.
Feel emotion, but also think critically.
Enjoy the story, but understand reality.
And ask questions.
Is this fact?
Or is this interpretation?
Stories like Punch and the Penguin spread fast.
But what stays longer is the way we respond.
So here's a question for you.
Why do you think people love emotional animal stories?
Is it empathy?
Is it loneliness?
Is it curiosity?
Or is it simply entertainment?
Think about it.
And maybe talk about it in English.
Because real language learning is not only grammar,
It's discussion.
it's ideas.
And it's understanding the world.
See you in the next episode.
Keep thinking. Keep practicing.